Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. Can you talk about your day in English without getting stuck? Most people can understand English, but when it comes to speaking about their own day, they freeze. Today I'm going to fix that. In this video, you will learn how to talk about your day step by step. Simple sentences you can use daily. A real example of a full day in English. And by the end, you will be able to speak confidently about your day. So let's start. Talking about your day is one of the most important skills in English. Why? Because you use it every single day. When someone asks, how was your day? What did you do today? You should be able to answer easily. But most learners say, nothing, normal day. Today we will change that. To speak clearly, follow this simple structure. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. That's it. Simple and powerful. Let's break it down. Start your day like this. I woke up at 7 am. I brushed my teeth and got ready. I had breakfast. I checked my phone. I started my work or studies. Pro tip, use simple past tense. Now repeat after me. I woke up early. I had breakfast. I got ready for the day. Now talk about your afternoon. I went to college or office. I attended classes or meetings. I had lunch at 2 pm. I worked on my tasks. I talked to my friends. For example, in the afternoon, I went to college and attended my classes. Evening is usually more relaxed. I came back home. I took some rest. I watched a video. I practiced English. I went for a walk. For example, in the evening, I practiced English and watched some videos. End your day like this. I had dinner with my family. I used my phone for some time. I planned my next day. I went to bed at 11 pm. For example, at night I had dinner and went to bed. Now let me show you a full example. Today was a good day. I woke up at 7 am and got ready. I had breakfast and checked my phone. In the afternoon, I went to college and attended my classes. I had lunch and talked to my friends. In the evening, I came back home and took some rest. I practiced English and watched videos. At night, I had dinner with my family and went to bed at 11 p.m. That's it. Simple and fluent. Now it's your turn. Try to talk about your day in English. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay because don't worry, everyone starts like this. Practice daily and you will improve. Comment below. My day in English. Try 3 to 5 sentences. And if you want to speak English confidently, subscribe for daily English practice. See you in the next video.